For me, theatre is the sum total of everything that I have seen, experienced, done and become in my life.
Take theatre out of me, or for that matter, take literature out of me, I'm not there.
Theatre has been the single sutra for me that has been my ray of light. The Sanket Trust was set up around 22 years ago, and Ranga Shankara was the idea of the Sanket Trust. So, Sanket Trust was born basically to give birth to Ranga Shankara. And Ranga Shankara, the construction of the space began in 2001. And the theatre opened in 2004. Its mandate is to encourage all the performing arts. And we are practicing theatre arts people. So we felt the need to have a dedicated space for showcasing the amateur theatre.
I love coming here. Performing on this stage is wonderful. The audiences that have been sort of growing year after year are very cultured, very aware.
This is the power of Ranga Shankara, getting back theatre to anybody who's interested towards creativity, towards plays, towards the books which is brought on to life on the stage.
Our claim to fame is a show a day, which means we are actually doing more than a show a day. We are doing 400 performances in a year. Since it is an extremely democratic space, we showcase the best of this democratic art from across the country once a year in a national theatre festival. We have a Young Directors Festival and we have a Kannada Natikotsava, which is just Kannada plays. AHA is our vertical, which is the theatre for children.
It costs money, and we need some support to take away, these plays around.
People who run Ranga Shankara, for example. You have program people, you have administration people. We need to create livelihoods for them. We were supported by Orange, the telephone company, which had supported Prithvi Theatre in Bombay, and they supported us for 4 years. We wanted to understand how we behave when we don't have a supporter and what is the best mix and match, which is when I met Sudha Murthy, who's been an erudite citizen of this city, and we were watching a play when she said, "You don't have Vodafone supporting you anymore, so how are you managing?" No, we don't have, but we are thinking of how to do it. So she said, "How much did they give you? Send me your proposal. I will see what we can do." Infosys Foundation came in with support. It's been so beautiful because this has been unconditional.
For me, theatre means expression of your emotion, and it can be connected with a great messages to the masses. Theatres cannot live independently, it has to be supported by the people or the organizations. So we have been with Ranga Shankara for a long time. In various forms we are helping them. Like we kept a corpus there to repair some of the equipment. We have given them maintenance money. Sometimes we have sponsored very good plays. So we have been with them for a long time on these projects.
I think Infosys help is too good for us, and that's where that gives courage to you, kind of to dream more.
The health of the institution, the existence of this institution, and the style in which it presents everything is funded by this.
Thank you for believing in theatre, and thank you for believing in Rangashankara.
The mission of Rangashankara even today is to celebrate this fantastic capacity of human beings to come together, not for money, but for something higher in the human spirit.